The role of collagen and elastin. After 40. Treatments that work. Imagine this. You wake up one morning, stand in front of the mirror, and suddenly, you notice something new. A tiny wrinkle near your eye. A little sagging around your jawline. Your skin doesn't bounce back the way it used to. You rub your face, smile, frown, test your expressions, and for the first time, you realize your skin is telling a story of time. For many, this moment can feel discouraging. We begin to wonder, am I losing my glow? Am I aging too fast? But here's the truth I want you to remember. Your beauty, your strength, your glow, it does not end after 40. It transforms. At Knowledge Hub Factory, we believe that aging isn't something to fear, it's something to understand, embrace, and work with. And when you understand the secret roles of collagen and elastin, you unlock the key to keeping your skin vibrant, firm, and radiant, no matter your age. So today, we're going to take you on a journey where we'll uncover what collagen and elastin really are, and why they matter more than ever after 40. The struggles most of us face when these vital proteins start to decline. The misconceptions that make many people give up hope too soon. And finally, the practical, proven, and motivational steps you can take today to bring back your confidence, energy, and youthful glow. Because here's the thing, aging is not a problem to solve, it's a journey to optimize. And by the end of this video, I promise, you won't just know about collagen and elastin, you'll feel empowered to take control of your skin, your health, and your self-esteem. So let's begin this journey together. Understanding collagen and elastin. Let's break it down simply. Collagen and elastin are like the building blocks and rubber bands of your skin. Collagen gives your skin structure, firmness, and strength. Imagine the frame of a house, it holds everything in place. Elastin, on the other hand, is what allows your skin to stretch and snap back. Think of it like a rubber band. When it's strong, your skin returns to its natural shape easily. Now, here's the catch. After the age of 25, our body's natural production of collagen begins to slow down by about 1% every year. By the time you reach 40, your collagen reserves are significantly lower, and elastin fibers become weaker. That's why wrinkles form, skin starts to sag, and that youthful bounce fades away. But wait before you feel discouraged. Let's look at this differently. Think about Sarah, a 45-year-old teacher. She told herself for years, well, wrinkles are just a part of life. Nothing I do will change that. She gave up on skincare, ignored treatments, and accepted the decline. Now, think about Miriam, also 45. When she noticed the same changes, she decided to learn, adapt, and take action. She understood that, while aging is natural, supporting her collagen and elastin could make her skin healthier, smoother, and more radiant. With small, consistent steps like the right skincare, nutrition, and treatments, her skin began to glow. Again, the difference. Not age, not genetics, but mindset and action. This is why understanding collagen and elastin isn't just about vanity, it's about confidence, self-care, and reminding yourself that you still deserve to look and feel your best. And that's what we're going to explore today. Struggles and misconceptions. Let's be honest. Aging comes with struggles, and when it comes to skin, most of us share the same fears. I'm too old for treatments to work. It's too late to take care of my skin. Collagen supplements are a scam. Only expensive surgeries can fix wrinkles. Sound familiar? But here's the truth. These are misconceptions. Yes, collagen and elastin decline after 40. But science has proven that, with the right habits and treatments, you can stimulate new collagen production and support elastin repair. Take the story of Rizwan, a 52-year-old man who believed skincare was only for women. He ignored sun protection, never moisturized, and felt embarrassed about his tired, sagging skin. But when he finally visited a dermatologist, he discovered simple, non-invasive treatments that made his skin look refreshed. Today, he confidently speaks at public events, without worrying about his appearance. Or Aisha, 48, who thought collagen creams were useless. Instead of giving up, she researched treatments like microneedling and PRP therapy. Within months, she noticed her skin tightening, glowing, and regaining its bounce.
Short story.
The struggle is real.
There was a boy in a small town who
but
was
the
always
misconception
average in
is
school.
dangerous.
He was
because
never
when you
the topper
believe
in
it's
class.
too late,
He never stood
you rob
first
yourself
in
of the
sports.
chance to
He wasn't the
transform.
most popular
And
kid.
this isn't just about
Teachers
looks,
barely
it's
remembered
about
his name.
self-respect,
But one day
self-love,
he looked in the
and
mirror
the courage
and
to
said
invest
to
in
himself,
yourself.
I may
So
not
here's
be
the
the
message.
topper of my
You
school,
are not too
but I will
late.
be the
You are
topper
not
of my
too old.
life. That
You were
boy
just
stopped
getting
comparing
started.
his journey with
Practical
others.
steps
He
in
set his
treatments
own
now.
standards.
Let's
He
get
created his own
practical.
exam.
What can you
Exam
actually
of
do
life,
to support
and every
collagen
single
and
day he
elastin
started winning
after
small
40?
battles. Years
Here
later,
are powerful,
when people
proven
looked at
steps.
him, they didn't
1.
see the same boy
Nutrition.
they once
First, eat
ignored.
foods
They saw
rich
someone
in
who had
vitamin
built himself,
C, zinc,
step by step,
and protein.
into a leader,
They're the raw
a success
materials for
story,
collagen.
and a person
Bone
of
broth,
influence.
leafy
That's the
greens,
Sigma rule
citrus
we're going to
fruits,
talk about
nuts,
today.
and
I will
fish
be the
are your
topper of my
friends.
life.
Avoid
And let
too
me
much
tell you,
sugar, it breaks.
this video is
Down
made for
collagen
you,
fibers.
not for your
2.
friend, not for
Skincare
your
habits.
neighbor,
Use
not for your
retinol.
cousin,
It stimulates
for you. Because
collagen
somewhere
production.
inside you,
Add
I know you've had
hyaluronic
that
acid.
same
It locks
thought.
in
You're
hydration
tired of
and plump
competing in
skin.
someone else's
Never
race.
skip sunscreen.
You want to design your
UV
own
rays
race.
destroy
Run it your
elastin
way,
faster
and
than
win it on
anything
your
else.
terms.
3.
Today, on Knowledge
Non-invasive
Hub
treatments.
Factory,
Microdungal.
we're going to go on a
Tiny
journey
needles
together.
trigger collagen
I'm going to
repair.
show you how
Chemical
to understand
peels.
the real
Remove
meaning
dead
behind
skin.
being a topper
Boost
of your
new growth.
life, how to break
Laser
free from
therapy
society's
stimulates
false
deep
scoreboard,
collagen
how
production.
to crush the fears,
PRP therapy
doubts, and
uses your own
limitations
blood
holding you
plasma
back,
to
and
heal
finally,
and tighten
how to
skin.
create a daily
4.
action plan
Daily
that
habits.
turns your dreams
Sleep
into
7
reality.
to 8
So
hours.
stay with
Your
me
skin
till the
repairs
end,
itself at
because
night.
this conversation
Drink water
could be the moment
consistently.
your life takes
Reduce
a
stress,
completely new
because
direction.
stress
Let's
hormones
begin.
damage collagen.
Understanding the meaning
Remember,
most people
it's not about
think
doing
topper
everything
means
at
standing
once.
first in
Start
school,
small,
getting the
stay
highest
consistent.
grades, or
Look
having
at
the
Imran,
biggest salary.
46.
But that's
He didn't
not
have
true.
the budget for
The real
fancy
topper,
treatments.
that's the person
But he
who
started
lives life
drinking
on
more
their
water,
terms,
applying
the one who's in
sunscreen
control
daily,
of their
and
mind,
using
their
retinol cream.
habits, and
Within
their
6
goals.
months,
Someone
his
who looks
colleagues
back at
started
the end
asking
of the
him
day
what
and
his secret
says,
was.
"I'm proud of
The
who I'm
secret
becoming.
wasn't
Why is
magic.
this important?"
It was discipline.
Because life is
And if
not
he
a
can do
single
it,
exam.
you can too.
Life is a
So,
series of tests,
let's pause
and
and
most of them
reflect.
are not written
You
on
now
paper.
know that
They are
collagen
tests
and
of
elastin
patience,
are the silent
resilience,
heroes of your
discipline,
skin, the structure
and courage.
and
Think
elasticity
about it.
that keep
You
you
could be
looking
the highest
youthful.
scorer in school,
After 40,
but still fail
yes,
in
they
relationships,
decline.
health,
But decline
or
is not
self-respect.
the end.
You could earn
Decline
millions,
is the
but still
beginning
be a
of a new
failure
chapter.
in happiness.
You've seen the
Being the
misconceptions
topper of
that
your
hold
life
people
means you
back.
balance all
You've
areas:
heard the stories of
personal
those who
growth,
chose action
emotional
over fear.
strength,
And you've learned the
financial
practical
freedom,
steps you can take starting
relationships,
today
and
to
purpose.
restore your glow,
Steve Jobs
your
was not a
confidence,
school topper.
your
In
energy.
fact, he
But
dropped
here's the
out of
deeper
college,
truth.
but he
This
topped
isn't
his
just
life
about
by creating
skin.
revolutionary
This is about
products,
life.
following
Every
his
wrinkle
passion,
tells a
and
story.
leaving a legacy.
Every line
Malala
is a
Yousafzai
reminder of
wasn't
the laughs
first
you've
in her
shared,
class,
the
but she
struggles you've
became the topper
overcome,
of her life
the
by
wisdom you've
standing
earned.
up for
Aging doesn't
education
steal your
and
beauty,
inspiring millions around
redefines
the
it.
world.
And with
So here's
knowledge,
the truth:
care,
you don't
and
need to be first
consistency,
in their race.
you can step
You
into
need
your
to be
40s,
first in your
50s,
race.
and
this is
beyond,
where
not
the
with
Sigma
fear,
rule mindset
but with
comes in.
confidence.
Sigma
So the
people
question
don't try
is,
to fit in.
are you ready?
They don't live by
Are you
someone
ready to
else's
take that
definition
first?
of success.
Step 2.
They set their own
Choose
rules.
self-care.
They master their
To
own
honor your
game.
skin,
So,
your health,
you've
and
ever
your
felt
journey.
like you're not
At
enough
Knowledge Hub
because you
Factory,
weren't first
we
in
believe you
something.
are.
Remember
And as you
this,
leave this
your
video,
real competition
I want you
is
to
who
carry
you were
one
yesterday,
powerful
not
message in
common
your heart.
struggles and
You are not
misconceptions.
aging.
Let's
You
talk
are
about the
evolving.
biggest traps
If this
people
video
fall into
inspired
when
you,
trying to become
share it with
successful.
someone who needs hope
First is
today.
the comparison
And
trap.
don't forget to
We
join
look at
our
others,
communities.
their grades,
Subscribe,
their jobs, their
like,
social
and
media,
comment,
and think
because
they are
your
ahead
journey
of us.
matters.
But you only
And
see
together,
the highlights,
we'll continue
not the
learning,
struggles behind
growing,
their success.
and thriving.
Second
Until
is the
next
I'm not
time,
smart
stay
enough
radiant.
myth. People
Stay
think
strong,
only naturally
and remember,
talented or
your
genius
best
people
years
can be
are
toppers.
not behind
Wrong.
you.
Consistency
They are right in
beats
front of
talent
you.
when talent doesn't.